The YUNZII C98 wireless mechanical keyboard strikes an impressive balance between compact design and full functionality, making it a standout option for users who want efficiency without sacrificing essential keys. With its 98-key layout, it manages to include a number pad while still maintaining a smaller footprint than traditional full-size keyboards. This makes it ideal for both productivity setups and gaming desks where space is limited, but functionality is still a priority. One of the first things you notice is the build quality. The keyboard feels solid and well-constructed, with a sturdy frame that doesn't flex during use. The keycaps have a premium texture that resists fingerprints and provides a comfortable typing experience over long sessions. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, the tactile feedback is satisfying and consistent, especially if you're using one of the mechanical switch options that YUNZII offers. Wireless performance is another strong point. The keyboard supports multiple connectivity modes, including Bluetooth and 4 GHz wireless, allowing seamless switching between devices. This makes it perfect for users who work across laptops, tablets, and desktops. The connection remains stable with minimal latency, which is important not just for productivity, but also for casual gaming. Battery life is reliable, lasting through extended use without frequent charging interruptions. When you do need to charge, the USB-C connection is convenient and modern, ensuring faster and more efficient power delivery. The inclusion of customizable RGB lighting adds a visual edge, letting users personalize their setup without overwhelming the overall aesthetic. Typing on the YUNZII C98 feels smooth and responsive. The layout is intuitive, and despite being slightly more compact than a full-size keyboard, it doesn't feel cramped. The presence of the number pad is especially valuable for professionals who deal with data entry or calculations, giving it an advantage over smaller layouts that sacrifice this feature. Overall, the YUNZII C98 delivers a well-rounded experience with its blend of portability, performance, and premium feel. It caters to a wide range of users, from office workers to gamers, offering flexibility and reliability in a sleek and modern package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.